Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman. Let's go. I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. I would only use a stunt double for a client because the last time I cried was 10,000 casualties were reported. Because the last time I cried was 10,000 casualties were reported.
Stupid ass. Stupid ass.
That's him. That's him. That's him. That ain't me. He stopped in front of me. What's wrong with you? That's him. He stopped in front of me. That he didn't want to go nowhere. He slid in front of me. That's him. No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light. Fuck that.
Coming Friday.
Part of me wants to grab it and throw it back in there. Yeah, you can if you want. I would hurry though.
What do you say?
Apple.
Thank you.
I go, did you drop this? He goes, oh yeah. And I hand it to him. Oh, he threw it again!
I knew he was going to do that.
Oh my gosh!
Flip him off.
What a jerk.
Right? There he goes. Those guys are assholes.
It didn't feel like what we were building up to. It was almost sort of.
You run the risk of stretching it out. And your Achilles is so dependent on elastic tension in order to be able to do that spring.
Dumb bitch. God damn. Son of a.
The video is locked.
Это, я считаю, крайне ненормально.
Ебать, нахуй подрезает.
Не, в натуре классно. Заебись. Чё, умеете? Могёте.
Черти, блядь. Ты ж хмырь, блядь, а? Это пиздец, блядь.
My attention is drawn to this vehicle right here. They got their hazard lights on, not sure why, and then I see the hood. This right here is the reason why you don't drive on a freeway when your hood is not secure.
What are you doing?
Video locked.
you serious, dude? Oh my god. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine.
What? What? For pink eye?
What? Oh boy. You piece of shit.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh shit. Ah, jeez.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.